Hi guys! Aniq here.
Muaz here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing a box with a scooter inside of it, which is the color green. Over here you can see it says A2 green scooter, little, and that's like the only thing that makes sense on the box. Everything else, yeah. So let's just open it. And we have to pull this out from here. Okay. Here, you pull this out, and so looks like you have to assemble the scooter. You guys can see in there.
It's not a box instead of a box.
So let's start taking stuff out. So what should we start with? This?
Oh.
Actually, wait, no.
You just need to put the handles on.
There's nothing you need to assemble.
Yeah.
So, is there anything else? Actually, this is an assembled scooter, so that means you won't have any like problems.
And it's from Razor.
And Razor made it.
Here's a slash. Maybe it's for like when you need to put your feet. You just do this, and when you put the brake, you just need to put your foot down.
Maybe it's for that.
And it's a little higher than normal.
So here is
And it's a little bit higher than normal scooters. I've seen normal. This is when you put your foot, you just put it on top, and when you need to put a brake, you just press it.
So here's the scooter. So usually in scooters you keep one foot back, and it usually like sometimes accidentally touches the brake when you're doing it. So this thing here, it's so then you can just put your feet on it, and without touching the brake, you can like kind of do that. So, do you like the scooter, Muaz? Ellie, do you like it?
Yes.
So, it's a very good scooter. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video and ring the bell icon.